When we developed the level 1 online course, it was because of the pandemic. And it was because, just like a lot of businesses, we had to pivot and we had to start doing things a different way. But that meant that we were able to develop this magical, engaging, interactive course with Duvon's expertise in video editing and just creating that program. A lot of students have told us since that it's the best online course they've ever taken. Now, that being said, there is something that is missing when you do something just online. And I think that a lot of people who have taken the online course feel that. And what's missing is the hands-on practice. What's missing is being able to, as you're thinking about these ideas, to be able to engage in discussion about it in that moment. That's what's missing. And I think that that's a really important part of a course. And so for that reason, I've offered in the past, and I'm offering now, opportunities to really come and focus on the hands-on practice. And what I'm offering in Halifax this July is an opportunity to do just that. And we're going to have 2 days of hands-on practice and review with questions. So I'm not going to get into the theory really of it, but we're going to have questions and discussion and hands-on practice for 2 days related to level 1. And then for 2 days after that, related to level 2. Anybody who is currently taking level 2 or has completed level 2 online, or even if you've taken it live, this is an opportunity for you to refine your skills in both level 1 and level 2. Remember, level 1 is a foundation that level 2 is built on. And so even if you feel like your level 1 skills are okay, and you just want to focus on the level 2 methods, that's fine. I would still recommend that you come to both of them. Just come for the full 4 days, because if nothing else, it's a chance for you to just have 4 days of practicing the vase, practicing needle technique, which is very different from body acupuncture, of course. Practicing, point selection principles, clarifying any ideas that you might be still not sure on. But more importantly, being able to engage with colleagues, being able to engage with your instructor, and really having this depth of understanding, not just from a logistical point of view, but also getting your hands into it. So I really think it's an important thing. And also, Halifax is beautiful in July. So why don't you come join me?